Hello everyone, welcome to Mocktail Plaza. Today I'll tell you some different mocktail you can see first time in the video. The mocktail name is Cinamom Blast. Very simple mocktail you can try. First of all, take a any type of tall glass. Then you have to add some ice cube into the and you go ice cube. After that you can squeeze on fresh lemon. Okay, then you have to squeeze on it's a very big lemon. Okay, no problem. Just squeeze on lemon, that's it. After that you can add some lime slices. Okay, then you can pour some cinnamon syrup with 20 to 30 ml of cinnamon syrup. Okay, then simply you can add some energy drinks into this. Your mocktail will be ready. Very simple mocktail. Okay, you can try. Okay, just stir all the ingredients. That's it. And slowly you have to pour the energy drinks. See how the fancy mocktail. Their mocktail name is Cinamom Blast. Very fancy mocktail actually you can try easily with that lime juice, cinnamon syrup, and that like energy drinks we can call. You can try this mocktail. I hope you like this mocktail very much. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel.